Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to see your password of Amazon, how you can find your password of Amazon. So if you got this password saved with your Google with your email, you can search the password in the center in the management passwords on your phone, on your email, or on your Gmail application. So the first step is go to the Gmail, and after that you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of your profile, and here you need to go to the option of Google account. So here in Google account you need to go here in these options, and you slide to the left, and here you need to pick insecurity. So in security you need to go down to the option of password manager, and after that you need to search here the password Amazon, and you can see the password. You can take a screenshot and write the password, save the password in another part, so in another place. This is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.